Welcome back all programmers. Once again in this hand-on experiment number 8, again we are going to do a very simple Python program, and that is write a Python program to input base and height of a triangle and print its area, right? So why we are learning this all very simple program, I just want to teach you the simple Python expressions in different ways, in how many ways or in different ways you can write arithmetic expressions in Python. Right, so the aim behind these all programs is that, okay, you learn to modify print statement, you learn to write any mathematical expression as Python statement, is it? So let us start this. So in this one, we need to input base as well as height of a triangle, right? And that can go either integer or either float, up to you. So I'm writing b for base is equal to, with integer typecasting, I am going to write here input command. You'll see input, then I am writing here enter base of a triangle, is it? So let me enter the base of a triangle here. Now it's up to you. You can go for float. Then here instead of this integer, what to change here? Float to change, right? So I am making here integer only. You try with float, no problem. Integer done. Then I'm going to write here height. I'm going to write here h for height. Height is equal to, I'm writing here integer, and then I'm going to write here input, and then again I'm going to write here enter height of a triangle. Okay, so let enter the height of the triangle. Got it? And again I'm giving that you can go for um, floating point value also, decimal value also. Right, now how to write the expression here, that area is equal to half into base into altitude? For that, so I'm going to write here a for area equal to, now how to write half into base into altitude? Can I write like this way? Can I write like this, half 1 by 2, like this way, half, then into base into altitude? Is it a correct expression? Or can I go for like this way? I'm going to write here, I'm going to give a bracket base into altitude and by 2. And this is by 2 means what? It can print decimal value also. So that same thing, half into base into altitude. Okay, so let's see one by one what both outputs are coming. Okay, so I'm going to write here print, then again I'm going to write a customize print out that area of a triangle of base. Okay, I'm giving comma outside, base is coming from b, and I'm writing here and height is coming from h. Then I'm going to write here is okay. Then again I am going to write here that is coming from a is as area, right? So let's run this program and see that with proper output is coming or not. Okay, so I'm going to run the command here. I am going to run again, I am going to save. So my program enters in running statement here. You see enter the base of a triangle, so let's have a base of a triangle. Okay, so base is, let's suppose 10 here. Okay, and enter the height of a triangle. Okay, so height I'm going to take here, let's suppose 8, let's suppose 8. Okay, so now what answer you are going to get, you see. So here you see what the is coming, a is not defined. Okay, so what, let me see what we did here. You see a is not defined here. You see here, you see b into a we have taken here, so that is base into height will be here now. So this is an error here, base into height, and then okay, so once again we are going to run the program. You see I'm going to run the program. You see enter base of a triangle, so that becomes 10. Okay, and then I am going back here 8. Okay, so see here, area of a triangle of base 10 and height 8 is 40.0, right? Half into base into altitude. You can make it out, it's coming 40. Okay, so why this point is coming? Because when you write this program, you see you are going to have a division here, divide by 2, and this is going to find out the remainder also, is it? So once again I'm going to run the program, and let's see some more. Let's suppose I'm going to write here base is 7, okay, and height is 3. Definitely you see 10.5 is coming as an area, right? Okay, now let's change one more expression. I am writing, you see whether this will okay or not. So I'm going to write here, you see, half. First I'm going to write here half, 1 by 2, half, then into, then base I am writing here b, and then height I am writing with h. Let's see whether this is going to give me the same output or not. So I'm going to run the module, and I'm going to enter, you see, I'm going to enter the same command for same input first. Here I'm writing here 10, and then next one I'm going to write here 8. Okay, so just check it out. The area of triangle of base 10 and height 8 is 40.0. See, the both answers are coming same. Okay, so one more time I'm going to run with that 7 and 3. So I'm going to write here, I'm going to run this program once again. Okay, so here you see I'm entering 7, and then I'm entering here 3. So now check it out. Every time you see this, you see here, you see here, you see here, you see here, you see answer is coming same. Meaning here is that that expression is also correct. Okay, what expression you have written here? So this expression is also correct, half into base into altitude, and earlier one what I had written here, that is also correct, right? So I hope you have understood how to write this expression, how you think you can write in Python, right? So all right, try it. Okay, so remember this one, learn now or fail later. See you next.